Welcome. In this video, I will explain how to connect two monitors to your ASUS VivoBook S15 laptop. So, first of all, the first thing that you want to do is connect both monitors to the power supply. So basically, supply both monitors with power by connecting their cables to the outlet. After that, we're gonna have to connect the laptop and the monitors using various connection types. So on the left side, on the left edge of the laptop, we have one HDMI port, which will itself allow us connect one monitor with HDMI support, or if your monitor doesn't have HDMI support, you can still use this cable with an adapter on the other side. So one side of your cable must be HDMI type, so like this one, and the other one has to be your monitor type, or maybe you can as well use an adapter at the end, so to connect the other end of the HDMI cable to an adapter, and the adapter will go into your monitor. And now after you connect the first monitor using this HDMI port, you'll have to use one of these USB-C ports. Now they are both Thunderbolts, which means that they both support connections like DisplayPort themselves, so you don't even have to use an adapter. You're just gonna have to find a cable which is USB, which is Thunderbolt to DisplayPort, or USB-C to DisplayPort, and connect the USB-C part in here and the DisplayPort part into your external monitor. Or alternatively, you can still use an HDMI connection type. For example, if you get yourself a dock station or a hub, or whatever you call it, like this one with HDMI port on the side of it, and then you're just gonna have to connect this thing to your laptop, and then you'll be able to plug in the HDMI cable in here, or the DisplayPort cable in here if you have a DisplayPort in your hub, and then the other side of the cable will go into your second monitor. And so you'll still have one extra USB-C port or Thunderbolt port for charging your laptop in the meantime, because you're probably gonna need to do that. However, many hubs also come with the charging port that can also be used. So this one already has one, so we can actually occupy our other Thunderbolt with something else, for example, like a second hub or something, and just power our laptop using this one. And yeah, once you have connected both your monitors to your laptop, what you're gonna need to do next is select the projection type. In order to select the projection type, you're gonna need to press either F7 button, which will open the projection menu, or if it doesn't work by itself, then you're gonna have to press and hold the FN button and then press F7. And once you have selected, once you have opened the projection type, and it can also be done by pressing the combination of Windows and P buttons. So yeah, I had to mention that too. And here you can select one of the four, but basically three projection types. So we have the duplicate type, which will duplicate the image of your laptop on each monitor. And the extend, here we have the extend option, which will basically extend the display of your laptop to two external monitors, which will make basically three monitors used at once, that can be used at once with your laptop. And now the second screen only will only show the display of your laptop on your external monitors, and your and the display of your laptop will be darkened until you change the projection type on one of your external monitors to PC screen only. So PC screen only is basically disabling the project. Basically, it disables the projection, since it will only display your device's system on your original monitor. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.